Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to an exciting video. We're doing an unboxing of the credit card. Why? Because it's a credit card I've always wanted. Pretty excited about it. Pretty hyped about it actually. Except, I'm ecstatic. We just got to keep going up in word tears right now. It's that serious. But today we're gonna open up and unbox my new credit card. Pretty excited about it. But before we unbox the card, how about you hit that subscribe button. You hit that like button. You support my channel because why not support me? Thank you. It means so much. But appreciate for liking the video. And like I said, if you like my content, most definitely subscribe. I try to drop at least 2 videos a week, so look out for that. But let's just hop right into today's video. Alright guys, what do? It's your boy Excellent, and today we're gonna do an unboxing of my new credit card. Why am I so excited about this? It's because it's a credit card I wanted for a long time. I just was not able to get it, but I've been building on my credit, getting my things right, and I'm finally able to get it, and I got it. It's a big milestone for me. Ooh. Amex, baby, Amex. Now, for the last year and a half, I have been an Amex Gold member. I had the gold one, then I swapped it out, got the rose gold. I love the Amex Gold. It was very good for everything I was using. But I have officially moved up the tier list. Pretty hyped about this. So we're gonna open it together, guys. So let's do it. The thing looking supreme, you hear me? Welcome to the platinum, you hear me? Nice. Alright guys, as I say, another milestone. This here, if you can see that good, but this here is my gold. It's the rose gold version. Hype. Finally laying at the bed though. It's been real. Swap them out for the good old plat. You heard me. Pretty excited. But I'm explaining to you guys why I think this card was a good fit for me versus the gold. Because I had the gold for like over a year now, maybe a year and a half or something like that. But I had it for a while, and it was really something that I needed. And now the perks, they're good, but they're just not the perks that I'm aiming for anymore. So I end up upgrading. So we're gonna go with the perks of this card versus the gold. So pretty much with the gold card, I got time 4 points on gas, supermarkets. I got like the $15 a month. Uber, where pretty much what that is if I do Uber or I do Uber Eats or whatever, and whatever the price is, every once a month, and Amex will pay me back $15 or whatever I spent on Uber, whatever. So that's a good perk I was liking. But just pretty much the perks of the gold that I was actually utilizing. You get the time for the supermarkets, the gas, and traveling. But when I initially got the gold, I was buying excessive groceries because I just can't get food stamps. But I had just had my son, and me and my wife were just, we was going through food, like milk, baby food, hit different. And at that point, the goal with that supermarket time for was really putting in some work out here. Plus, with the gold, when my wife was pregnant and she was just running about, I was able to give her Amex Gold. She'd have to pay an annual fee, and I thought that was pretty clutch. So I ended up giving her a card, myself a card, and we would just know anytime my son needs something, whatever the case may be, we was just racking up a lot of points. It was a good card to have, but now my son is getting out of all the baby food and always needing all the milk now. Now we just some juice, water. You know, might get some milk to go to sleep with, so we're not using that much on food anymore. So I'm not really a version of points as I once was. Now, the Platt card. What made me upgrade? Pretty much they give you $20 a month for streaming services. That's $240 a year just for towards your streaming service like Spotify, Netflix. I have both of these. So pretty much it would cover all of my Netflix bill, which is the bill I just don't have to pay no more. So it's just a plus for me. They also give you $200 towards hotels and $200 towards airfare a year. If I take one good trip a year, I can utilize both of those. So just between the streaming services throughout the year, the hotel and the flight, you're talking $620, $640 already. They did raise the annual fee on the Platt cards at $695, but just for those three alone, the annual fee is kind of null and void, because you also get the Uber factor on the Platt card too, where there's subscription with the 15. It comes out to $200 a month, because in the month of December they give you an extra $5 towards Uber. But if I use the Uber every month, I'm winning. The annual fee is obsolete. I'm automatically winning. And plus, another thing about the Platt card, another reason I updated is they're giving you times 10 points on your first 6 months on supermarkets and gas. So it's like, okay, for the remainder of this year, I get times 10 points even if I do go shopping. So yeah, I take the hit. That's like guaranteed, boom. Not to mention they still give me like a little sign-on bonus or whatever if I spend like $2,000 or $3,000 in like 3 months. So it's easy pickings for me. But the card, like the annual fee is kind of null and void if you actually use the perks, which I do a lot, because I use my Amex for all my purchases throughout the year. So with me like doing all those purchases throughout the year, pretty much everything is on my card. I pretty much it's just the perks are just done by default, because it's just how I live my life. But I want to create a photo album or like a picture frame with just my credit cards that I really just wanted to have at one point. I think that'd be a cool thing to do. It's probably hang a light right there. No, we'll see what we can do. But these are the perks for this card. Like I said, I truly believe it's worth it 100%. So I'm pretty excited about it. But that's my little card reveal, my little box opening, man. It's pretty sick, pretty hype. But what can I say, man? I'm hyped. The work don't stop, the grind don't stop, people. Set your mind to a goal and just go after it full force. Whether it's something small like an Amex platinum card, a house, dream card, whatever the case may be, set your mind to it and you can do it. But that's all I got to say about the matter, man. It's your boy X here, and I'm out.